The roots of our country have the work of great lawyers involved, such as Motilal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Not only these people practiced law as a career, but they also were involved in the national freedom struggle. Is law on your mind too? Hello everyone, welcome to CLLST. Law has been one of the most preferred career choices for many years now actually, and given the new framework, given the new form of legal education, today most of the youngsters are looking forward to a career in law. It is not just about studying law, but it is also about the wide array of opportunities today law as a course offers to a student who graduates from one of the top law schools in the country. Earlier, when somebody used to study law, the most obvious choice in terms of career options was limited to litigation. But today, not only you can litigate in the court of law, but you have other choices available to you as well, which you can explore. For example, many youngsters today prefer to get into the corporate world and they become corporate counsel. They can work with the law firms. Then, if somebody wants to be part of the judicial services, you can go for the state judicial services examination, and if you clear the same, then you become part of the judicial services. Academics is another area which one can explore very easily today, given that every year new law schools are coming up on regular basis. A law graduate can also be part of the social services sector. He can go for further studies in colleges abroad, or he can get into legal research as well. Legal process outsourcing has been a long time one of the major industries in India, and where young graduates are looking forward to immense potentials actually. So today, not only law offers you great opportunities, but the kind of curriculum which is being taught at the different national universities equips you with those skills which will help you survive in any industry. No wonder the package at the top national law schools is almost around 16 lakhs per annum and is almost double of what most IITians are getting today. Thank you. If you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. For any feedback or questions, write in the comment section.
Career Launcher. Make your parents explode with joy.